Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So guys, we have completed 1000 subscribers on this channel, and thanks to all of you who subscribed to my channel. And I completed 1000 subscribers on 15th of April, and I'm extremely grateful to all my friends and family who has appreciated me since my first video, who has given me so much love and always encouraged me to do something different. And I wanted to do a giveaway on this occasion, but because of the coronavirus lockdown, it is not possible right now. So I thought, because majority of my subscribers are home decor lovers, so why not make a video on home decor which they would love, and this would be my giveaway right now. So in this video I will be doing a bedroom makeover, and I have decorated this room around 3-4 months back also, but now I am redoing this room. Because of the lockdown, I was not able to buy even a single product. So all the products which I have used in this video are old, nothing new, but the way I arrange them is totally different, making this room look very different and cozy. So please watch this video till the end. And secondly, I have given two looks in the same room. So one is more colorful and other is more subtle and sophisticated. And another reason I wanted to redo this room is because I wanted to give a surprise to my husband, as he's a pulmonologist and is currently extremely busy in managing coronavirus patients. So I just wanted to make him happy by redoing this room, and I'm giving all the links of all the products in the description box below. And without further ado, let's start the video. So you guys remember this room? I uploaded video of bedroom makeover of this room around, I think, 2-3 months back, and now I am going to give another makeover to the same room, as now we have shifted in this room because of the summers and we have AC in this room, so I want to make it more comfortable. And now this is the condition of the room, as I have removed all the decorations as I am preparing it for another makeover. So this is the room, and we have low-lying bed here. So we have two mattresses here, and the head end of the mattress right now is placed towards the light blue colored wall. And I generally use command hooks to hang anything. So these are the command hooks. If you want to learn about them, then you can watch my previous video. I will give the link in the description box below. So I have pasted an extra command hook on that corner to hang my bed canopy. And I made this bed canopy by the help of a mosquito net. And if you want to see how I made it, then I will give the link of my previous video in the description box below. So beneath the bed canopy, I want to make a comfortable sitting area, so where I can do meditation or just sit and feel peaceful. So first of all, I am using this old bed sheet, and I have folded it and just placed it there. And I am arranging the canopy, and I am just putting all the ends of the canopy beneath this bed sheet. And I have also added the LED lights along the canopy. And then I added this very comfy thick bed sheet or dari kind of thing over the bed sheet, so to have a comfortable sitting. Then I added this white bed sheet over that to cover it properly. And as the theme of the room is mainly blue, white and some pink color, so I added this white bed sheet here. So on this wall, just behind the head end of bed, I want to hang something different so that it can give a different look. So I have pasted two command hooks there, and I was not able to buy anything, so I have made a wall shelf by myself. So in my junkyard, I found this thermocol L-shaped piece. It was in the washing machine packing, and I cut these extra corners from the sides by heating the knife, and then I just covered this whole thermocol thing with the packing paper. I found this white and golden packing paper in my house, and I pasted it over this with the help of Fevicol. Length of the paper was not enough to cover whole of the thermocol piece, so I pasted another piece as well, and I tried to match the design so end of the papers could not be visible, that there are two papers I pasted. And with the help of craft rope of white color, I hang this wall shelf on the wall on the command hooks, and this is how my wall shelf is ready. Then I pasted these white floral LED lights on the front end of the wall shelf by the help of tape. So then I have put some frames and some small artificial cactus plants over it, as it is of thermocol, so I cannot place very heavy items over it. Then on this corner I added this white shelves. I got it from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box below. And I made sure that it won't come in the way of my almiras. And then I hang this bohemian decor piece in the pink white shade, and I got it from Chumbak. I will again give the link in the description box. And then I hang these artificial hanging flowers, and I hang these on the hook on which my bed canopy was hanging in the previous video. And I also let these fall on the side of the white rack, and it's looking very beautiful. Then I added these two white bird cages. The small one I have put over the top shelf of this white rack, and the bigger one I have put on the side of the rack. And then I added these LED lights in it also. Then I arranged these books and I color coded them, like I have arranged all the black books together, white books together. Then I added some candles, some decor pieces. Then I laid this blue colored bed sheet on the mattress, and it is going with the theme of the room. The theme is blue, white and some pink color. Then I added some pillows over it of white and the blue shade. I'm not adding any cushion here because already there is so much going on, wall shelf and on the white rack also. So I am adding cushions only in the canopy sitting area, not on the bed. And I have added blue, pink shade and white shade cushions in the canopy area. And then I added this beautiful rug in blue shade on the foot end of this bed. Then on other side of the bed I placed a palm plant in the cane basket, and then I placed a stool also, and I have put a novel and a candle over it. Then I cleared all the mess from the divan and laid down this beautiful white and blue shade divan set along with the cushion covers and the bolster covers.
Oh, bhai saab. Super.
You liked it?
Super. Bhai saab.
भाई साहब के अलावा भी कोई वर्ड है क्या?
Mind blowing.
Thank you, thank you. So now the final reveal, and I have given 2 looks, so watch the video till end. So for look number 2, I removed that macrame pink colored hanging and also the pink colored flowers hanging, and instead of that I am hanging all green leaves hanging, so that there will be less of a pink color and the color theme mainly be around white and blue, as some people don't like too much pink in their rooms. And I have also replaced the pink cushion with the blue one. So this is, I think, a more sophisticated or a more sober kind of decor, if you like.